the fact that we say your kid, my kid, is a tier 1 cultural issue that should not be allowed. I won't allow it in my school. You know, we should know all these kids. And that's why, even in my high schools, I'm like, guys, when the bell rings, every single person out in the hallway, 7 times a day during transitions. We all say hi to kids. We all say hello. We want kids to have options. We want our kids who don't have trusting relationships with adults, and then we tell them that only one adult is going to handle them, and I'm not going to talk to you, go see your person. We've now just broken down all of that trust. And now I learned that only certain adults in the world can be trusted. Only certain adults will care for me. And that is a debilitating thing to put in a kid's head that they're going to grow up with as an adult. When I want them to be able to establish social relationships and trust amongst adults, I want them to know that adults are going to treat me the same way. So if I kick a kid, you're going to do the same thing, you're going to do the same, they're going to do the same thing. I don't even have to know the kid's name. If you have that established in your playground, I can go out tomorrow and do recess duty in your school, and I've never even set foot in your building. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.